Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to send money using PaySend. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all, I'm just gonna go to the official website. So to send money through PaySend, you just have to download the application. But before that, you just have to go to their website, click on the three lines in the top right corner, and then just click on send money. By the way, you can just do it from their website. So here you just have to type in the amount of money you want to send, and it will show you the amount in the currency you have selected that they will receive, the recipient that you are selecting. And you can just send money from here, or you can just download their app. You can do it from their website. Just click on download on App Store or get it on Google Play if you are on an Android device. And just create an account and send money. It's that simple, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.